Today we are going to learn how to design a pie chart on Figma. So we all know when we need to design on dashboard, we can see these things of design, that is pie chart. So let's start learning how we can design. So first we can select our rectangle. We're using eclipse. I can drag and I click our circle. Then I can copy this. So I have to find out arc. That's very simple. You can see. And I can copy this one again. And I can bring this up and this can be moved on. So whenever we want to do this, we have to press shift. So what is happening? Let me explain this again. So what we have to do, select the circle or eclipse, and we can bring any color that we like, and then we can select here is an arc. That's it. Pressing shift. So it will give you the accurate result, and you can left side you can press shift and drag your mouse. You can resize this frame and also bring this up, so it will automatically move. So you can copy one again and then press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I've done this so I can move it up here. You see? And in the right side I can, resize the circle. So I have copied this one again, and again I can resize this, and I can move. So I need this, and again I can resize this in the lower, and I have chosen the color palette. Then again I can copy and paste this, and I'll move it up, and I can move this, and again I can resize. So I need this one in yellow color, so I can select this. Very simple, that is done. Again I want to learn this one, so what I can do, I can again copy circle and copy the color, that is yellow. I can bring the arc, and also in the middle I can press shift and make it like this, but I don't know what will be the space size. So here I can see this is the arc ratio. So if I press it 60, it will be bigger. If I press it 90, it will be lower. You can see. If you press it 80, that will look like this. So here comes the left side. I can resize this. You see? And I can move this up and bring it up above like this way. Again I can copy this, and I can move it up like this way. See? And I can resize this. So here I can move this up here, and there is my resizing area. Okay? So in the left side I can resize, in the right side I can move. So here I can again change the color, that is done. Again I can copy this and paste over there. Now if I bring this way, it will be dragged down. So what I can do, I can press shift, and here is my size to resize this. You can see? So here I can make it bigger or whatever I like. That's up to me. You can see. So this one is very bigger and very bad. I need to resize this, so I have to make it lower and bring this up above here by moving to the left side, and also I can resize this looking on the right side. So I have done this, and I need to change the color, so that is done. So I need to move more little and copy again, paste over there. So I can bring it up over and also move this up. You can see this. So I need to change the color. This is purple, and I can bring it down. Very simple. Again, if I want to make this kind of circle, what I can do, that is very simple. You can see I've copied this one, and wants to design on this color. That is done, and I need a color like this. I need R in the middle, and this arc ratio will be 90. I have done this, and now I can bring it up that way. But what I can do, I can move this, bring it up this color. Again, I can copy this one and paste over there and resize this shape. And I can make this color in yellow. I need to make it more bigger, and again copy this, paste it over there, and change the color. That should be blue. That is done. I need to make this all in middle. You see, and here is my alignment. You see the middle R over there. You can see. Again, here is this orange one R. That's it. And the purple one are inside. So what I can do, I can make this down and make this ratio will be 90. That is 90 done. Again, I can click on the orange color and make the ratio will be 90. And the last one, ratio will be 90 again. It will be automatically turned. Okay, that's my mistake. It will be 90 now. It's fine. So what I can do, I can this one I can resize on the left side, and this is my pen tool. So I can follow all this, and I can resize this on the left side. That is done. And I can copy again and paste over here. I can move this up and resize. I need to resize more and move it up. Resize more and change color. So I'm going to make this way, and I need to resize more, and I can move this more and resize more. That is perfect. And again, I can click on the yellow. So I want to move this up over there. Again, I can copy this one, paste over there, and move it up over there. And I need to resize this and change color like this. That is also done. And the last one will be this. Move it up, copy this again, and again I can move it up over there and change color. That is just like almost same. So what I can do, I can group it up, make another rectangle, bring this background, and any color that I want, I can change the color in black. So you guys can understand what I have done. So here we go, and I want to bring it up. So you can see I have designed this. Can you guys see this? Feel the difference? That is very easy. You can follow this way. So I hope you guys can learn how we can design this